Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video we will be doing this beautiful farmhouse wreath with items all from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. What you're going to need is a wreath, some burlap, some ribbon, some flowers of your choice, a glue gun, and of course some glue sticks. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your wreath, and then you're going to go ahead and grab your burlap and you're going to start to put it around your wreath. Now you can do it at any thickness that you want. I chose to do it a little bit close to one another when I would loop it, but again, you can do it to your liking. So once your burlap is all wrapped around the wreath, you're going to go ahead and grab the flowers and start to cut off the stem. Once your flowers are all cut up, you're going to go ahead and start to hot glue them to your wreath. And you can go ahead and place them however you like. I went for the minimalist look. I feel like farmhouse, less is more. So that's why I didn't go all the way around the wreath. And I really ended up liking how it turned out. then once you have your flowers all glued onto your wreath, you're going to go ahead and grab your ribbon, and this is what you will use to be able to hang your wreath onto your door or wherever you decide to hang it. And that is it, you guys. This is the finished wreath. It's so pretty and it's so farmhouse. I'm obsessed with it, and everything from the Dollar Tree for only $6. And you saw how easy it was to make. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for all of the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.